we are going to talk about a really important maths concept, that is combining like terms as well as the distributive property. Firstly, we will learn combining like terms. Combining like terms is a way of organizing things that are the same to make it easier to do operations, basically easier to know how many terms are all together. So first, when we are combining like terms, we group the terms that are similar. Look this example. Here we will make a shape surrounding each like type, including the sign in front of the term. In first step, we will make ovals or circle around the x terms, including their sign. Here 3x plus 2x minus x are like terms. Now we will make boxes around the y terms. Here minus 2y plus 8y are like terms. We will underline the number terms or constants. Underline plus 7 plus 4 minus 1 plus 9. Now we will add these types individually. I am going to combine. In circles, I have plus 3x plus 2x, which is 5x. Now 5x minus x equal to 4x. Now let's look at what inside the box is. Minus 2y plus 8y equal to plus 6y. Now last one is underlined terms. 7 plus 4 equal to 11. 11 minus 1 equal to 10. 10 plus 9 equal to 19. So answer of this question will be 4x plus 6y plus 19. So students, don't go together. Now let's try a couple more. Next example is now pause the video until you completely solve. Hit play when you are ready. We will again make a shape surrounding each like terms. We will underline the number terms. 12 minus 5 equal to 7. We will make ovals around the w terms, including their sign. Minus 3w plus w equal to minus 2w. We will make boxes around the x terms, including their sign. 5x minus 2x equal to 3x. Now 3x plus 3x equal to 6x. Now I am going to the y. There is only one y. Put a line on the top of y. So it is just stay as it is. Now we will add these types or simplify it. So answer will be minus 2w plus 6x plus 4y plus 7. Again, next example is there. Now pause the video and give it a try. Hit play when you are ready. One mistake is mostly done by students. They think x square and x can be combined. Listen carefully. X square and x are different terms. I am going to start with x square. we will make circle or oval around 3x square plus x square plus 8x square. We will make boxes around x terms. Here x terms are minus 9x and plus 4x. We will underline the number terms. Number terms are minus 7 plus 6. Add each term individually. Always remember that we need to have some strategies for solving such type of questions. So answer of this question will be 12x square minus 5x minus 1. Now we will learn distributive property of algebra. What does distribute mean? Distribute something means to give it to each member of a group. For example, distribute the cubes to the girls. Distribute the gifts to the children. In maths, distributive property allows you to multiply numbers that are added together a little bit quicker. Distribute property says if you have a number outside the bracket and inside the bracket there are two things that are added together, then we will multiply the outside number by each of inside things by itself and then adding them together. For example, A into B plus C. Here we will multiply A with B and then A with C. So answer will be equal to AB plus AC. How do we use this in numbers? Here is an example. When we notice that a number outside the bracket and inside the bracket there are two things, then we will use distributive property. For example, 2 into x plus 3. Firstly, we circle the number outside the bracket. In next step, we will multiply the outside number by each piece inside the bracket. Multiply 2 by x and then multiply 2 by plus 3. Now simplify it. Answer will be 2x plus 6. Let's look at another example. Minus 3 into 2x minus 1. Pause the video until you completely solve. Now match your answer. Circle the number outside the bracket. Now we will multiply outside number by each number inside the bracket. Minus 3 into 2x plus minus 3 into minus 1. Now again simplify it. Answer will be equal to minus 6x plus 3.